talk about using Mote and the QR code generator to create a QR code activated voice note. Pretty cool, huh? First things first, we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and we're going to download Mote, M-O-T-E. Once you search for it and find it, click Add to Chrome. Allow the extension, and it'll give you the opening screen. Welcome to Mote. You can mess around here and learn more about Mote if you want, or you can just follow what I'm going to do. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the qrcodegenerator.com. From here, I'm going to open up Mote. So here's Mote in my extensions. I'm going to click Open. I'm going to click Yes and Allow. So I'm going to click on the M in the corner to record my Mote voice note. Hi, you did a great job on your presentation today. I just wanted to let you know that I really liked the colors you used and the information you presented. Well done. So once you're done and you get the message that the Mote voice note has been copied to your clipboard, click on the URL in QR code generator, drop the link, then save the QR code. So I'm going to call it Mote 1. Save. Now I have my Mote. And if you scan the QR code, I scanned it on my cell phone, and now I'm going to play it for you. Hi, you did a great job on your presentation today. I just wanted to let you know that I really liked the colors you used and the information you presented. Well done. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.